This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by powering the headset down and unhooking any cables so you don't stress connectors. Once done, drape a soft cloth under the cup to protect the finish. Use a thin pry tool or your fingernail at the lower rear seam. Apply steady, even pressure and work around the rim. You're popping plastic clips, not ripping fabric, so small, repeated motions win. Make sure to note clip positions so you can align them when reassembling. Now that the cup is off, grip the old ear pad's outer lip and peel it away from the retaining ring. You'll feel adhesive or a snap fit release. Take the new Hyperx Cloud Alpha S pad and line up its inner lip with the ring. Orientation matters for mic and cable clearances. Press the lip into the groove, starting opposite the seam and working around. Use even pressure and you'll hear clicks. Make sure fabric sits flat so there are no pressure points. To finish, align the ear cup with the housing and gently press into place, ensuring the clip tabs engage in sequence. If there's a tiny connector, make sure it's seated before snapping. Press the entire rim until you hear firm snaps and visually confirm there are no gaps. Once assembled, plug in and test sound and microphone, then wear the headset for a few minutes to confirm comfort. If you notice uneven pressure or noise, reopen the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.